So here to solve this statue park by Murat and Tonta. It's got an antisymmetric theme with alternation going on, and one of the things we'll see quite quickly is that the way these white cells come out from these groups, we immediately get the 2I tetrominoes formed, which means that these other groups that are starting to come out can't be I's. They'll have to be a shape like an L. Here's another group coming out. This again can't be an I, this is an L. So we now have identified both of the L's. If this cell isn't used, we'd form another L. So this cell is used, and this cell can't be because that would form an L. So this is a T or an S. If this cell isn't used, this would form an L. So this also takes here. If this cell isn't used, this would form an L. So these cells are all forced. What we'll see is if we actually take this cell, it's an L. If we take this cell, we're going to close off this group. So this will have to be a T. This will have to be an S. We now have still a few things to place. This cell will have to take this to come over and still can be a T or S. So what we effectively have in the grid are all the tetrominoes except for the two 2x2 squares. So this black cell here is going to be part of a 2x2 square, and another tetromino that we're going to place is going to be a 2x2 square. Can't go here because that would close off part of the grid. It can go here, and there's no other place it can go. So this looks pretty clean as that shape. With this being a T, this is an S. That comes down here, forces this as the place for the last 2x2 square. So this is a pretty fast Monday puzzle, but it demonstrates a lot of the great techniques that you'll need for Statue Park, starting by identifying the I's and the L's, and then just trying to fit everything in. And the 2x2 tetrominoes at the end were the key steps to try to place. So hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you again soon.